Good day, everyone, and welcome to Telecom Review Africa's webinar on the role of Fintech in advancing Africa.
Fintech, as we all know, is not just about technology. It's about empowerment, growth, and transformation. Across Africa, Fintech has opened new doors for millions of people who were previously excluded from formal financial systems. From mobile-first services and digital payment to cross-border trade and financial literacy, Fintech is driving change at every level of society.
Can you give us an overview of the current states of financial access in Africa?
Africa has a high mobile penetration rate.
If you look at the map, you can see a very high inclusion in South Africa, another high inclusion in Kenya. However, a super low inclusion in countries like South Sudan.
I think that not all countries or regions are at the same level of readiness.
Second pillar to tackle that matter is innovation.
So how is UNESCO equipping fintechs in Africa with the tools to take on new banking challenges?
I would see a full digital journey that is seamless from A to Z. Another area is thinking a little bit out of the box to increase the inclusion of the upcoming generations.
How can fintech ensure that its growth doesn't just benefit urban or tech-savvy populations?
Series of challenges, of course, are linked to literacy and digital literacy to women. We've witnessed that they actually lack the confidence.
Which types of partnerships or areas are most critical to fintech opportunity development in Africa?
The first category is the partnership with incumbent financial institutions. The second category maybe is the partnership with telco companies. The third category is the partnership with financial business like e-commerce. Fintech is not just about financial apps. It's about embedding the financial services where people are already doing business, not propose the high technology that the population cannot use. And this is where fintech and mobile commerces are paramount, and here in Africa has already proven its ability to leapfrog legacy banking system with the mobile money.
How important is the fintech sector in advancing the creator and broader digital economy in Africa?
We as Africa have to take the creative economy as an opportunity to create jobs.
What can be learned from the African countries pioneering mobile-first services to advance cross-border trade?
If you're not mobile first in Africa, go home. 66% of mobile money transactions happen on the Africa continent. I'm also excited about what's happening with the Pan-African Payment Settlement System. Looking at APIs is a good way to move quickly on some of these integrations and also allow some of the cross-border payments and trade and money movement to happen a lot more efficiently.
Regarding the infrastructure, I think there's a lot of work that needs to be done. It's not only in Africa, everywhere else, everywhere in the world.
It's important to offer the best coverage in this region first, because the digital financial services require a reliability connectivity. Without good connectivity, we cannot build and develop some solutions.
And I would see a world where crypto is going to be the main currency.
With Stripe, you see payment links created in Stripe. People forget that some of this technology actually came from Africa. Really interesting use cases that can be applied across the world.
Can you please tell us how fintech can support the growth of MSMEs?
They found ways to serve MSMEs at a lower cost using digital channels. There is a massive credit gap for African MSMEs. The second one is merchant payments. Interoperable payment is, in my view, one of the most critical challenges.
How is Urdu Algeria addressing limited financial access in Africa?
The first and the most important pillar is the leveraging network infrastructure to access this and focus on the customer's centricity services, and with offering a mobile application like My Uridu, and by extending our network coverage, Uridu is creating the very foundation upon which digital payment can be implemented.
How can you start leveraging the data and maybe new innovative ways of looking at lending? I think is the only way we can advance.
You have fintechs offering digital points of services where clients can pay MSMEs and payment links. I think they're super innovative and very, very interesting.
What approach do you think Africa should take when adopting new technologies?
We should start with the basic technology and to grow up step by step.
Do you think these emerging technologies will have a uniquely transformative impact in Africa compared to global markets?
The three technologies I think about in terms of what we need to watch out for and what we need to embrace would be AI, open banking, and DeFi.
What do you think is a major barrier to fintech advancement?
One issue related to ecosystems being quite closed. Really, for me, it's all about opening the ecosystems to ensure that fintech can create value.
In conclusion, I think the successful fintech in Africa are not working alone in isolation. They are building a bridge with the established players.
Banks by themselves cannot solve financial inclusion.